Many of you are asking the question like I did, how can I maintain a healthy brain as I age? Especially if you've seen a loved one have Alzheimer's or dementia, as I have also. I remember the first time visiting my mom and she didn't know who I was. So I started digging in. I started looking for answers. And we have some amazing information for you, and we can take that amazing information and make it into a practical way of how you can give yourself the very best chance of preventing brain decline. So I'll be covering simple labs that can be done that can give amazing information, and many of you aren't getting those. I'll be sharing how we can measure the electrical activity of the brain and show if it's slowing down ahead of time so you can do something about it in time to make a difference so you can remember your kids, your grandkids, and have as healthy a life as possible. So come to this upcoming talk on preventing brain decline. I look forward to sharing that information with you.